mark this out. Mark the hole for corresponding window to the garage. 592. Those glass sockets on the glass, just offer it up, make sure it goes in. Alright, time to see if the window fits. I hope it does. Otherwise I'm going to have a bit of fresh air coming in the old beast, if you know what I mean. We cut it all out. I cut it out with a jigsaw, just because it's kind of what I know. We've got this, what do they call that?
Trim.
I remember what the specific name for it is, that wraps around this outer layer, so that way you don't have exposed metal on where your glass is going to go. I've sealed around this part. Now we seal along the top, down the sides, and all around here. And then that way the window goes in, let it sit for 24 hours, she's done.
Success.
Bloody did it. Heaps better. Opening window. Bloody beautiful, mate. 24 hours. I'm going to open it. There you have it. Been a bit more than 24 hours, but windows in. Chuck. Chucky likes it. See you later.